Hello, my name is Kenneth, and today I'm going to show you the movement system I'm using for my main character. I wanted to show you the smart locomotion demo level first, because this is an asset that I bought, and kind of show what it's capable of, and then we'll talk later about how I'm planning to use it. So you can move like this, you can sprint, you can crouch, you can lean. There is also a toggle view for first person and third person. There's aiming mode. Not like aiming towards where I'm looking, but that is something that we can fix. There is a ragdoll that will also get up in a basically correct way. And if I am able to, let's say, fall on the back, I can also get up from the back. Okay, so there is two movement systems. One where you are facing the camera at all times, and another one where you can turn like this at the push of a button, which is handy, I guess, but I'm not sure I'm going to use it. And there is also a slide function. There is vaulting. Let's see. Oh, come on. Why? Okay. And this. There is ladder climbing. And there is an automatic roll. If you jump from a specific height and go into a roll. There is of course foot IK placement, which is kind of the main thing that I wanted, and if I change the camera it's also like rotating towards it, which I kind of like. There is built-in support for swimming. It looks a bit weird, but I'm not also using swimming, I think, for my main character, but it's a possibility at least. Yeah, there is also different sounds for different surfaces that is possible to use. I'm thinking maybe I will make my own sounds for this, but to fit the game, but it's nice to have the possibility built in. And yeah, the sliding as I showed, and there is some support for AI and different systems. It's kind of built up in components, so I might use the movement system here, but I'm not sure yet for my goblin AIs. Okay, so let's jump into my project and look at the main character there and how I'm using the locomotion system. So, as I've told you in the last video, this is the goddess of decay, Mycelia, and as you can see, she's kind of inspired by mushrooms and their decaying abilities. So I'm using the same locomotion system for this character, and I'm not sure I'm going to keep all of the functionality. And I'm also going to modify some of it, like for example the aiming system. This is just like a test, but zooming in a bit and like doing this and going into some spellcasting pose. There is a lot of I mean, the vaulting and the sliding and the rolling and stuff is maybe fun and might help with immersion, but I'm not sure I'm going to do it in a way that is like okay, so to get to this I don't know, prisoner or something, you have to climb this and do that, and but it might be an option for like, okay, so you can approach it in different ways, I guess. And the sliding might be fun if you can like fly yeah, it has to be fixed a bit, because for now you can like slide up and slide down, but like kind of a movement boost or something. One thing I can show you right now that is not working properly, because it took some time to integrate this with the skeleton I'm using, is the ragdoll. So as you can see, it kind of sticks to the hip bone, and it's not supposed to do that, and I think there is a really easy fix for it, but for now I haven't gotten around to it. But yeah, that's kind of the movement system. I also wanted to talk a bit about the teaser that I showed you in the last video. I realized that it might not make that much sense, so what I was kind of trying to show you was the goblins are coming into contact with an artifact that kind of giving them an advantage and starts their campaign for world domination, I guess. And the part with the mycelia and the trees growing and everything, I was kind of trying to show that she's been alone for a long time. She's an outcast and she doesn't have any friends, and the thing that starts it all off is when she gets attacked, kind of. I'm gonna show you more of that later, and like how I'm planning of starting the game with the tutorial and how you can learn how to do combat, and the first NPC you will meet, and starting the quest lines, and going from being alone in a empty hub basically, then starting to build the community and the revolution, if you will. Yeah, so for the next devlog I'm thinking I'll show you a bit of combat. For now I only got this. It's not great, and the VFX and stuff is a bit ugly, but I'll try to fix that and create a couple of different attacks, and talk a bit about how I'm thinking or hoping I can create an ability tree kind of, and a bit of customization in how you want to like play mycelium. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking, or commenting. And I'm also, you can see, not really good at making these videos, but I'm learning, and I will try to adapt to what you guys want to see. So yeah, I'm also working on the Steam page, and that will be up quite soon. I just need to put in information and make some cool graphics and stuff. Maybe a small trailer. Yeah. So bye for now, and see you next week.